imperfecto means something was happening before, something that used to be. Cuando era pequeña, cantaba mucho. When I was small, I used to sing a lot. Y ayer también canté mucho. And yesterday, I also sang a lot. Okay? The second part is called indefinido. Another example. Cuando era pequeña, cocinaba con mi madre. Y ayer también cociné con mi madre. When I was small, I used to cook with my mom. And yesterday, I cooked with her too. You see? So now you can try with the verb hablar. Hablar español. When I was small, cuando era pequeña, yo hablaba en español. I used to speak Spanish. Y ayer también hablé en español. And yesterday, I also spoke Spanish because I met somebody in the street or something. Okay, try to make sentences with the same idea with the imperfecto and the indefinido all the time. For now, just with the personal pronoun yo. Okay, so how does it work? Yo haba for verbs ending in ar. Cantar, cantaba. Hablar, hablaba. Cocinar, cocinaba. Yo hablaba, yo cocinaba, yo cantaba. Indefinido. That's shorter. That's just with the sound E, with this accent in Spanish. Cocinar. Yo cociné. Hablar. Yo hablé. Estudiar. Yo estudié. Okay? So you can build your own sentences. The same idea again and again. And you can use your hands to help that ideas to come easier to your mind and to make them automatically in Spanish when you speak. Okay? So the idea is to say, when I was small, I used to do something. And yesterday, I also did the same thing. When I was small, I used to speak Spanish. And yesterday, I spoke Spanish again. Okay? The hands should be like this. Granny telling a lot of stories, what she used to do before. Cuando era pequeña, hablaba español. And your hands here telling something about one specific moment in the past. Ayer, yesterday, yo también hablé en español. Okay? So try and you will see. Again, try first with verbs in ar and with the personal pronoun yo. Then we can add more difficulty. Okay? Ar imperfecto, ar indefinido, first personal pronoun yo. Yo haba imperfecto, yo he indefinido. Yo hablaba, yo hablé. Yo hablaba, yo hablé. Okay? So good luck and send me your sentences if you want. Or you can tell them to me the next time. Adios.